no drugs. No chance of drugs on probation, and if he screws it up, then of course there's no choice. I realize the court had to have no choice but to put him in prison for screwing up with those drugs. But best of all, no bad relationships. This boy is 19 years old, and the worst thing in the world we can do, in my estimation, is put him with people who have a history of crime and who he would be looking to emulate at some level. The defendant was unfortunate. I'm not here to speak ill of the recently deceased. His grandmother just died here a few days ago. And one of the problems was that Leslie was living with his grandmother. I liked his grandmother. I had known her. I knew her for 40 years or more, probably. But she was not capable of telling him no. She supported him. I'm sure she didn't intend to do that. But she supported him and let this happen to him without sitting on him or finding some means to sit on him so that he could learn something. This boy is 18 years old. He has a lot to learn. He's perfectly capable of learning it. And I realize that there is a shooting involved, and I wish that there weren't. But he is only 18, and he did not intend to kill this guy. And if you believe what he told Lieutenant Troutman, and he was in the spirit of confessing when he told him he shot at a tire. Dumb, I'll grant you, but that's all it is dumb. And it seems reasonable to us that the court would give him probation, max him out on all the time so that he has a very clear understanding of the consequences of screwing this probation up. And if he makes it, so much the better. It comes from a family that has good qualities and he can have them himself. And if he screws it up, it would be his own fault, nobody else's.